Okay, for today's tutorial, we will learn about how to go on live in Nikki. Okay, so you start by clicking the icon. Okay, so if the blue here will not appear, you may click here. But if you can see it already, so you just go and click the blue button. Okay, so you have to select 9 seats so that many can take a seat during your live. Okay, and then for a newbie, or if you are new here in Nikki, you have to go first to face authentication. Okay, so you just follow the instructions there. So there's a circle, and then you look at that circle. Okay, and follow the instructions below that circle. Okay, so they will say blink your eyes, turn your head to the right. So just follow everything and then you submit and wait for the approval. So once it is approved, you can already start your live. Okay, so you go live, click here. So if you don't want anyone to hear your audio, so that they cannot hear voices when you're doing your live, you can turn off your mic. Okay, so there's 3 dots, I mean 3 lines below. So just click that one and then look for the microphone and then click it, so they cannot hear you anymore. But if you want to talk again on your live, so you just turn it on and then remove that one. Okay, so if you want to leave your live, so you may tell them goodbye, that you will end your live, and then you exit here. Okay, and this button here, and then close live. So that's it, and thank you for watching.